Hello, my name is Bin Sohail from Innovate, and I'm here with V2 Indonesia and Calibre. Hi gentlemen, how are you doing today?
Yeah, very good. Thank you so much.
Tell me about the deployment at the Presidential Palace and the role that Calibre plays there.
Yes, actually the President Palace in Indonesia, there is two main, one in Jakarta, of course the headquarters, and the other one in the Bogor city. So what they demand is in the last year when they come to me, they said they're looking something product that really in the future, that's really helping them, very easy to use, very easy to maintenance, then they want like simple way, but they hope the product can be like for future 2-3 years, still maintains very good. So that's the purpose of what they want in the president meeting room.
And how does the Calibre AiO address these concerns?
Yes, because they want to installation very easy, we cannot do, because physically this already done, right? So we cannot do like so many physically installation. So that's why the all-in-one from Calibre is very good, very suitable, because we just hang out there and then just very easy, simple running the one cable and everything's done. Then very easy setup. That's the important what they want.
And on Calibre's part, what is the support that you provide to your partners, and what is the support that you provided to V2 for the Presidential Palace project?
Okay, so initially when customer they met the problem, and then we use a live conference call with them to live solve the problem. But also we can send our engineer to the live event, then help them to solve the problem. Yeah.
What are some of the features of the Calibre AiO that set it apart from its competitors? What makes it different?
Okay, our major difference, our all-in-one is a panel design, which means you have two people, you can assemble the whole system in 1 hour. Then we also embedded Android, so we have embedded media player. You can use app to remote control and play the media. Also, the important thing is we pass the safety certification with whole screen. This is our major difference.
And how were some of these features relevant for the Presidential Palace project?
Yes, I think as Roger mentioned, because of there is apps, right? So they can easy to upload the content easily to the all-in-one. And then I think the Calibre is because it's 4-in-1 system, it's very easy for maintenance. So I think the president team, they like it because it's very, very convenient for them, like when they use it. And how the connection, everything is very simple. And this is the fastest way when they want to do the presentation. They just use the remote control, they can control the brightness. It's very easy, like they use the TV as a home. That's the way.
Now that the project is complete,
Yes.
how has the Calibre AiO been performing? What has the feedback been from the user themselves?
Yes, actually for president and president team, they're very concerned about the color because they want to showing sometime like mapping, sometime like anything physically. They want to showing very, very accurate with the color, right? So that's why the Calibre all-in-one is very, very exactly almost like closely to what they help. So they're very happy. They like it, very easy to use as a purpose in beginning they want. So I think they're very, very satisfied for the Calibre all-in-one.
What are some of the applications and future uses you wish to see for the Calibre all-in-one?
Okay, I would like to say our all-in-one is very, very easy to do the installation. And we treat our all-in-one as a platform, so which means user can extend their hardware very easy and extend their software easy. So we integrate all the solutions together into our all-in-one. So in the future, our all-in-one can adapt to the different application like a meeting room or signage. Okay, so this is our future design.
Gentlemen,
Yep.
thank you so much for your time.
My pleasure. Thank you.